Okay, so we are going to solve this one. This is going to be the last question of the day for the series 1700. I think fairly moderate question, not very difficult. Given f of x by 4 is equal to x square plus x minus 4. So we have to find the product of all possible values of y such that f of 2y is equal to 8. Now obviously the function is given in the form of x. So f of x is given, okay, and they are asking you something related to f of y. So function of y they are asking. So you can obviously transpose x into y, whichever is the case, as in when you like it. So this is as good as f of y by 4, that is equal to y square plus y minus 4. Okay, I hope this is visible. Now how do I transform the LHS part to f of 2y? Simple, I just have to multiply an 8. If I multiply 8y by 4, this thing will transform to 2y. Okay, but there are implications. The variable y will get transformed to 8y the whole square. So now it will be 8y the whole square plus 8y. Remember that I am substituting 8y in the place of y and the constant remains the same. This is equal to 8. You can send the constant to that side and do some expression thing. This is 64y square plus 8y minus 12 is equal to 0. Now if you look at this, this is f of 2y. What is the question asking? The question is asking the product of all possible values of y. Now this is a quadratic equation, and product of a quadratic equations we know. I hope you will appreciate the concepts back. The sum of roots, product of root. Sum of root is minus b by a. Product of root is c by a. So c by a in this case is, suppose alpha and beta are the product of roots, that is equal to minus 12 by 64. Okay, so let's cut this. 4 3s are 4 16s are 64 minus 3 by 16. So A is the answer. Okay, that is the possible product of the roots. Thank you.